Hello, everyone.
Hello. So we are at Lambusan. So this is the replica of Fatima. So Fatima was brought from Rome, and she is put here for the Filipinos. So the image of Fatima was brought by a priest here, and this whole entire land is owned and donated by the Balili family. They own this land, but when Rome sent Fatima, the blessed Fatima, to the Philippines, brought by a priest, they had nowhere to place Fatima, and so the Balili family donated this land for Fatima. It's a few hectares, but they were like, they because they want to have a congregation here, and so this entire land has been donated. Pritz, ari ra Pritz. Mao ni ang berhin Pritz. Mao ni ang berhin nga gidala dili. Kinsa nga pari nagdala? Kinsa lagi nga pari lagi Pilipino. Pilipino nga pari or kanang Kastila nga pari? Ah. So this is the image of Mother Mary Fatima. She's been brought by a priest from Rome. This is the very place that is like erected for the people, for the Filipino people. So his mother and my mother are sisters. So that means he's one of my cousins. Balili family donated this land for the blessed Fatima. The blessed Fatima came from Rome, and it was brought to the Philippines for the Filipino people. And at that time, there was no place to erect Fatima, but the Balili family, his family, father's side, donated this. So grateful that everyone from different places of the Philippines come and visit. What do you want to say?
Thank you for the Meridian of Fatima.
Hmm?
very
Okay, so like we are very grateful for the Balili, you know, like God bless the not just the Balili family, you know, the Kabatingan family, all the families of that very family, the Abali family, and everyone. God bless the Angobo. May everything that you desire, your heart's desire, you know, God will give it.
This is the San Remio Church.
Allah, grabe kay mo ko i-vlog patay. Yes, we're going to the wet market because we're going to buy some fish. Some fish. Buriring. Ano naman buriring? Kaon ka buriring day?
Oh, come. Hi.
Kaon ka buriring?
Oh, kaon ko ita. Lami ba ya? Ngano man di ay? Ngano di ay? Oh, nakakaon dito may buriring ato nyaging adlaw.
Ah, nakakaon day ka?
Oh, nakakaon nami.
Ah, pinakakuha pa.
Nakakaon nami oy.
Buriring.
Oh, wow. Look at these fishes. Look at these. Masaya ito ba ito?
Minta.
Ambot, dili ha. Oh, lami ko dito sa bati ano. Abot ka mo, bahala mo sa iyang ano.
Ilan na imuhang ko anay? Sulit niya ba? Oh.
Oh. Pagpila?
Kapente.
250?
Malapate.
Ambot si Tia, Tia Nadi.
Lagi.
Asa man na Tia?
Kaya tangday. Ha? Katong kuan uwan. Awan ko na ba? Kami yung unan. Kau ka bunan.
Ano sila ka taman?
Oh, pagka pinagyan mo mo pa.
Ano man nagka isa ba ka? Isa sa bato? Look at those fishes. Aren't they great?
Saban.
Wow, lagi isa pa pre.
Ha?
Ano pagdali?
Nagtabo sa ba?
Iya ako babuton sa man tiya. Sige pa tani tiya. Ha, usa ba tiya? Pila.
Man.
180. Pwede ba? Pwede 170? Oh, pwede na tiya. Tuwa ko 170. Dada. Ako magwa. Ano, isda man yung bato na? Pero isda man yung bato nila? Unsa ba itong buhaton?
Di ba na-isnes ba to?
Unsa itong buhaton? Inunan o tinuwa? Tinuwa, lami tinuwa. Lami man na tuwahon siya, di ba? Yes, we're having this. Hi everyone. So like today is lunch time for students, and look at all of these amount of students having lunch. Like very busy, busy, so busy. Mm, amount of people. There's amount of people here. So dugo ni no? Pila ni gani? 15.
Siya makaon sa ilaha, kinaandar sila pagkaon. Kapoy to siya tiya, init ba ya? Kapoy. Usa man hutun tani ang kaning sibuyas? Lagi. Usa lang ka. Lagi. Wala na isda. May laing matawag na presko. Namay daghang isda pero mo man nagipili ni siya na di. Siya ra may akong gipapili ko, siya akong gipabuot. Nagsalang pabukan. Kani o pwede man na siya tanom. Oy, tanom tani ba? Kana ba itanom na dato? Kani ba?
Unsa ganito ni? Sisi? Tuyom? Here's the vendor. He's selling those sea urchins.
Guys.
Yeah.
Guys. Palit mo.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, you come to Tambungon, San Remio, at the bridge, just on the side of the bridge. They sell all of these goodies. These are the hardworking fishermen. What's your name?
Lito.
Lito, then
Alan.
Alan and Lito come here every single day to sell all of these fishes. So you have to come and visit them, okay? They're all fresh, straight from the sea. Salamat.
Thank you.
Like there's more sea urchins, very fresh. Here's the lady who sell those fishes. If you ever come to Tambungon, please stop by at Tambungon Bridge. They sell all of these fresh seafoods. More of sea urchins. They sell them every single day here. Like all the seafoods that you want, you can find it here. Tambungon Bridge. Oh, look at all of these. Muna ituloy, no? Here you go. Pila ang tuloy day? 50?
Oh, you know, I'm gonna buy the tuloy, like for 1 kilo. Where do you right? Okay, I'm buying that one. See that one? I'm buying them. It's still fresh. Look at that, still jumping in the water, alive and kicking. Look at them. Wala day klase karon day.
Wala ka gipaspil
Wala
na kay
ni
naglain may panahon ganina.
Bitaw no, nag-uwan ba yung gabi no? Balik na ko, palit ko ana. Hi, there's more vendors here. Look at them, very hardworking people.
Hi.
Say hello, say hello. Hello. You have to like promote your business. I-promote din mo yung business ba? Bisaya lang ko. Bisaya lang ba?
Gusto ko narati.
Ano ra kay Toyo?
So bayra sa amo ka lang
Okay. It depends on what they catch, but you can find them here every morning at Tambungon Bridge. This is the right place to be to get fresh fishes, okay? Is that true? Is that true? Imuha na dong? Imuhang ka ng kuha? Pinalit ni mo? Imo na asawa? Fritz, na ako'y sinsiyo gilid sa sakyanan, Fritz. Palihog ko, bi. Kay ko. Nasa. Hi everyone, so we are at the bridge of Tambungon. That's the bridge, and that's my cousin. Say hello, Fritz. Say hello. So he's my tour guide here, you know. So we're going under the bridge. Here's the bridge. Here is the bridge that you can see. That's the bridge, and look at those fishing boats. Actually, they're not fishing. Well, kind of, but it's more of a kayak than a boat, you know. But yeah, it's big enough to catch fish. Look at all of these people. Like, yay! Nagunsa man ka nang makagsisi? Daghang kagkuha?
Ay, bago-uwi na rin ba? Pinaabot.
Bago ba maabot? Para panood ani? Say hello dong. Say hello. Naka-camera ba ya ka dong? Hi. Ay ka good. There's another one there. Are you brothers? Magsuon no? Oh, here's the brothers trying to catch some fresh seafood. Dedong, say hello. He's very shy to say hello to you all, but you know, they're very smart, you know, like coming here and try to catch some seafood is great, you know, straight from the sea, just under the bridge. Look at this is the bridge. I'm showing it to you. It's a little. This is the bridge. See? Two bridges parallel at each other. Guys, when I was a little girl, we used to come here with my sisters together with my aunties, and we used to swim at these sea water. Now things have changed. Not many people come here to swim. They just come here to bring their fish nets as well as their kayaks / boat to try and catch fishes. But yeah, it's like, you know, it's bringing back those years that I was here, and it's just like, it's nice and it's great to me. It is my pleasure to share it with you, you know, like as a little girl, you know, when you are a child,
everything is just about fun, and it's just about enjoying about life, you know. Everything to you is just so beautiful, you know. When you are a child, nothing is bad to you. It's just, to me, it was just all joy and enjoyment about life. And this is part of me as a person, and this is the place I used to swim in the morning, either in the morning or the afternoon. This used to be a place that I love, which is, up to this day, I think it kept it beautiful. And you know, they kept it like they didn't really do anything bad, you know, like they've made and maintained the area beautiful. Apart from that, it's not the, like, not many people come here to swim anymore. They just come here for fishing, you know. There's another place wherein you could catch, you could go swimming, but this place, if you want to come, you could still swim, but this is better off for like catching fishes. But yeah, it's my pleasure sharing with you, and follow my journey, because this is our journey together. Yeah, lakaw ta. Maglakaw ta ba diri ba? Maglakaw ta. Sundan ta lang ka kay kanang. Say hello. Say hello. What you doing? What are you doing? Are you catching fishes? Nakigistorya ko nila. Ingko ba unsa ilang gibuhat? Kun nakakuha ba? Nakakuha na mo kuan? Isda? Na masul. Nauwaw. Mauwaw man sila.
Daw dia. Wala po.